What if evolution suddenly accelerated? What if a hidden gene inside our DNA had the potential to unlock a rapid acceleration of evolution, and we never knew it? Scientists have identified a mysterious gene known as ARHGAP11B, found only in humans, that may have played a critical role in the sudden expansion of our brain size during evolution. This gene is linked to the rapid increase in neuron production in the neocortex, the part of the brain responsible for higher-order thinking, language, and consciousness. But what if ARHGAP11B, or a similar gene, had the potential to trigger accelerated evolution across all species? Imagine a scenario where this gene is suddenly activated by environmental stress, radiation, or even artificial interference. What would happen if evolution, a process that usually takes millions of years, suddenly accelerated within a matter of months? Could humanity adapt fast enough, or would nature reclaim its place at the top of the food chain? The foundation of evolution lies in DNA, the molecular blueprint that encodes traits and behaviors in living beings. DNA changes through two primary processes: recombination, the shuffling of genes during reproduction, and mutation, random changes triggered by environmental stress, radiation, or chemicals. At the molecular level, mutations happen when errors occur during DNA replication. While most errors are corrected by cellular repair systems, some slip through. These can lead to novel traits, some beneficial, others disastrous. If environmental conditions suddenly shifted, these mutations could become the driving force for rapid adaptation. In a rapidly evolving world, animals would develop new traits within weeks or months. Certain species may evolve enhanced senses, like improved night vision or heightened hearing, to better navigate their changing environment. Insects, known for their rapid life cycles, could develop enhanced resistance to pesticides, becoming virtually indestructible. Birds may evolve new feather patterns or stronger beaks to adapt to shifting food sources. Even more remarkably, predators might evolve stronger muscles or faster reflexes, creating a rapidly changing web of survival. Interestingly, scientists have already observed evolution in action. For example, bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus have developed antibiotic resistance in mere decades, a stark reminder of how quickly life can adapt under pressure. The sudden acceleration of mutation would also introduce dangerous side effects. Harmful mutations that would normally be filtered out through natural selection could suddenly spread across populations. Genetic diseases could become far more common. Entire species may vanish within a single generation, unable to cope with these unstable shifts. On the molecular level, unstable proteins caused by faulty genetic coding could lead to severe developmental issues. Proteins are the workhorses of cellular function. Unstable ones may cause organ failure, cancerous growths, or even mental instability in extreme cases. For example, the p53 gene is crucial in regulating cell division and preventing cancer. If a mutation caused this gene to malfunction, entire populations could experience mass outbreaks of aggressive cancers. What if humans experienced rapid evolutionary changes too? Some individuals might develop improved resistance to diseases. Stronger immune systems evolve to fight rapidly mutating pathogens. Others could develop improved cognitive abilities, faster reflexes, or even subtle changes in bone structure for improved durability. But this rapid evolution could also create division. Some human populations may develop extraordinary advantages, while others struggle to keep pace. This could create distinct evolutionary branches of humanity within just a few generations. As species evolve faster than ever before, ecosystems would struggle to maintain balance. Predator-prey relationships would spiral out of control as certain species evolve faster than others. Forests may be overtaken by plants that suddenly develop faster growth rates, choking out slower species. Agriculture would face its own crisis. Crops might mutate unpredictably, forcing farmers to adapt rapidly. Familiar foods could vanish, replaced by rapidly evolving plants with unpredictable effects on human health. One molecular-level consequence would be the evolution of enzymes within plant cells. Enhanced enzymes may rapidly break down pesticides, making traditional farming methods ineffective. Insects feeding on crops could evolve digestive systems capable of processing plants that were once toxic. Some species, especially those with short life cycles, could evolve into astonishing super species. Insects like mosquitoes, might develop resistance to insecticides in a matter of weeks. Rats, known for their adaptability, could develop heightened intelligence or enhanced senses, outsmarting traditional control methods. Humanity could face a new wave of competition, no longer just against nature, but against evolved species capable of exploiting their surroundings faster than us. Would technology be able to keep up with the accelerated pace of evolution? Imagine genetic engineers working frantically to design plants that grow faster, or livestock that adapt to unpredictable climates. Could bioengineers develop designer genes to give humanity an edge against nature's escalating arms race? At the molecular scale, scientists may attempt to manipulate CRISPR gene editing technology to correct dangerous mutations in real time. However, introducing frequent genetic edits could destabilize DNA even further, accelerating unexpected evolutionary changes. As humans adapt to these genetic shifts, what if certain populations evolved superior physical traits or cognitive abilities? Would this spark new social divides? Could societies become segregated by rapidly evolving superhumans and slower adapting populations? Ethics would come under scrutiny. Would humanity attempt to control its own evolution? Gene editing may become the new survival strategy, creating a world where only those with enhanced traits thrive. In an accelerated evolutionary world, ecosystems might stabilize into a drastically altered state. Entirely new species, highly adaptable and resistant to environmental pressures, could emerge to dominate the planet. Could humans continue to adapt fast enough to remain the dominant force? Or would Earth become a realm controlled by newer, more efficient life forms? Perhaps evolution is already accelerating. Recent studies suggest that human traits, such as lactose tolerance, disease resistance, and brain size, have shifted more rapidly in the past few thousand years than previously thought. At the molecular level, researchers have identified evidence that certain genes like FOXP2, linked to language development, have evolved significantly faster than expected. Similarly, genes affecting skin pigmentation, immune responses, and altitude tolerance have adapted to human environments at a remarkable pace. One surprising discovery suggests that EPAS1, a gene found in Tibetans, allows them to thrive at extreme altitudes by producing fewer red blood cells to improve oxygen efficiency. This is considered one of the fastest examples of human evolution in modern history. Could a sudden environmental shift, a viral outbreak, climate crisis, or technological accident push evolution into overdrive? And if so, would humanity be prepared to survive in a world evolving faster than ever before?